Who I want to talk to? Christian? What's the number in front of cosine but we don't see it?
1.
Yes, so that is our amplitude. Okay? The B value affects the period. So the new period is the old period. Sam, what was the old period for cosine? Look back.
Oh, 2 pi.
2 pi. And we have to divide it by the B value. Okay? And Sam, what do we get?
Pi over 4.
Careful.
Oh, pi over 2.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I want 2 cycles, 1 positive, 1 negative. Our amplitude is only 1, so we don't have to go up and down too far. Okay. So we will go up 1, down 1, but we've got a new period. Okay, so the period is pi over 2. So that's where we're going to end on the positive side, and that's where we're going to end on the negative side. So now I need halfway points. So here's the question, gang, to all of you. What's half of a half? A fourth. Good. What's half of a fourth? So what's a half times a fourth? Pi over 8. Now, if you don't feel confident with your fractions, that's okay. I'll let you have a calculator for all these. So you can do on your calculator 1/4 times a half. Math, enter, and you'll get an eighth. Now you know we're counting by eighths. The first tick mark always tells you how to count. Emily, I have faith that you can count. This is 1 over 8. This is 2 over 8. So what is this one, Emily? See, I knew you could count. So 3 pi over 8. So on this side, negative pi over 4. Negative pi over 8. And negative 3 pi over 8. Excellent. Okay? Lovely Lexi. Cosine, does it start up or down? Up. So we have up at the amplitude, first halfway point x-intercept, next halfway point down the amplitude, next halfway point x-intercept, next halfway point up the amplitude. Okay? And now we can go backwards and use our hills and valleys. So, at pi over 2, we have hill, x-intercept valley, x-intercept hill, x-intercept valley, x-intercept hill. Are the hills and valleys confusing you? No?
You could just say up to the
Yeah.
next time.
Up, right. But in life, we have hills and valleys. So I'm trying to relate it to life. I don't know. I just made that up just now. Okay. X-intercepts. Sydney. And guys, only on the positive side. I would never ask you for the negative side. Sydney, we got 2 of them. Where are they at?
Pi over 8, 0.
Pi over 8, 0. And 3 pi over 8, 0. Thank you, ma'am. Philip? Max. And we have 2 of them. So I don't mean Max, I mean Philip Max. Not Max Max. Go Philip Max. Go. Give order pairs.
Okay, well, it'd be negative. Oh,
On the positive side.
okay. 0, 1.
0, 1. And another one.
And 0. No. Pi over 2, 1.
Yes. All right, delightful Lexi, Minge. And we only have 1. You go, girl.
Pi over 4.
And? Oh, sorry. That was all we had.
You got the stretch period?
No. Period is 2 pi, remember? The stretch period is a little different.
I was talking about you said we're.
Oh, I know. I was just messing with you. We will stretch after the next one. The next one, guys, we're putting everything together. So we got the whole shebang. Do not fear, I will lead you safely. Y equals 1/2 cosine 2 pi x. Okay. All right. Ryan, amplitude is 1/2. Okay. Ariel, what is the normal period for cosine? 2 pi. And Ariel, what do we have to divide it by? Very good. So Ariel, what's the new period? Yes. How strange is that? Can you have a period that's not in pi units? Yes, you can. Okay? All right, we're going to do one positive, one negative. Amplitude is 1/2, so let's say there's 1/2, negative 1/2. Ariel so correctly told us that the period is 1 and negative 1. Okay. Aline, do our halvesies. 1/2 of 1. No pies. Our pies went away. Just 1/2. And Aline, 1/2 of 1/2. A 1/4. So we have 1/4, 2/4. Next one, Aline. Very good. Okay, excellent. Lovely Molly, cosine starts up or down? Up. Yep. So up at the amplitude, first halfway point x-intercept, next halfway point down the amplitude, next halfway point x-intercept, next halfway point up the amplitude. Okay? Now go backwards, start at the end. Hill, x-intercept, valley, x-intercept, hill. X-intercept, valley, x-intercept, hill. Okay, but I have beautiful drawings. Is that what you said? I know. X-intercepts. Christian, just on the positive side, we have 2 of them.
140 and 40.
In Algebra 2, did you guys write them as, I bet you didn't write them as ordered pairs, did you?
No.
You just wrote like 1/4 and 3/4?
X equals
Okay. All right. Max. 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 There's 2. Yep. Very good. And Harrison, min. Right.
Yeah, 1/2, negative 1/2.
Positive half. I don't need the negative side.
we have negative. But it is
It is negative.
Well, it's positive half and then, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't realize you were saying the second number. So positive half, negative half,
And then negative 1/2.
and then you're fine. Kind of animal, all right? 3 key parts. Are number 1, period. Defined as, so leave equals right there. Defined as distance between the And we're going to fill in the blank in a second. That day that we graphed tangent. Okay, so let's make our little XY coordinate plane, or our X tan X coordinate plane. Okay. When we graphed tangent, we had some dashed lines. Does anybody remember what those were called? Sydney, what are those called? Asymptotes. Okay. The asymptotes of a tangent graph determine its period. So where the asymptotes are determine the period.
Do you want to say?
Pardon?
Do you want to draw those?
Sure. For the parent tangent graph, the asymptotes are at pi over 2 and negative pi over 2. The distance between the asymptotes is the period. So, and we can fill in distance between the asymptotes now. What is the period for the parent tangent function? So distance from here to here, from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Smart people that you are, what is it? It's pi. Now, is that different than sine and cosine? Yeah, very different. Sine and cosine are 2 pi. Period for tangent is pi. That's something, guys, that you're going to have to remember. Okay? Number 2 is actually giving the equation of the asymptotes. Asymptotes. The asymptotes are vertical lines. What axis do these vertical lines cross? X. So the equation for each of them is x equals, and one of them's at negative pi over 2, the other is at positive. So what can we throw in front of pi over 2? Plus or minus. Very good. At the positive halfway point, you're up A. At the negative halfway point, you're down A. What happens at 0? Do you guys remember? 0, 0. An untranslated tangent graph always crosses 0, 0. Untranslated, and we're not doing any translations today. An untranslated tangent graph always crosses at 0, 0. Is the old period divided by b. So can anybody set us up for that? Anybody set us up for old period of tangent? Sydney, what do you got?
Pi over 2.
The old period for tangent?
Yeah. Right?
Close.
Or is it pi?
Pi divided by the b value, which is
3.
3. Very good. So it's pi over 3. So, make your axes. You guys told me the a value was 2. So let's go up 1, 2, down 1, 2. Okay. Now, here's the big question. Okay. So we take a half of a third and we get pi over 6. Now, next halfway point. What's half of a sixth? Or 1/2 times 1/6? A 12th. And now we've got our halfway points. So at the positive halfway point, we're up at 2. Negative halfway point, we're down at 2. Tangent always goes through 0, 0, unless it's translated. Okay? All right, good job. So asymptotes cross the x-axis.